Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix audio problem on Instagram Reels. So if I go for Reels here, then if I use this music, okay, then go for use audio, and if I go for just okay, now go for next. I have to first save this video, so it takes few seconds and go back. Okay, now I have to again go for use audio here. Now, okay, just refresh this, again go for here, and if I go for use audio here and go for this plus icon and go for this one, and now I have to just use this audio from here with this shooted video before. Then you can go for next and upload this video with that music. So that's it. This is how you can fix the problem. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.